Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can connect your Google Calendar account with the OneCalendar application. For example, to have your events from OneCalendar synchronized with your Google Calendar and vice versa. So let us begin. Alright guys, so what you need to do is launch the OneCalendar app. Let me open it here on my desktop computer. And what you want to do is navigate to the settings button in the bottom right corner. From there, navigate to accounts, and you will see the connected Google Calendar accounts, or in general external accounts like Microsoft Outlook or any external calendar that can be connected here, listed here. So as you can see, my Google Calendar account is already connected. So what you will need to do is click into Add Account here and pick the account type, which in this case here is Google Calendar. But as you can see, there's also Outlook, iCloud, Yahoo, and so on and so forth. Click into that arrow to the right button, and then you will see the account you're currently logged in on Google. So make sure that you are logged in with that account. If that's not the case, select this button, log into your account. And after that, now I can't connect with my calendar again. So what you need to do, guys, on the next page is OneCalendar will ask you for permission to access your calendar on Google Calendar. So there will be a permit or permission button, confirm, and after that your both accounts will be connected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.